back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this slime. I already made a slime right here, and I did a YouTube video of that. I already made it. It was today, like 1 second ago. So yeah, I'm going to be making another slime. It's going to be the same exact color. So yeah, there's some dry glue in here. Okay. So I'm going to be adding my first glue, which I'm going to be using clear glue, which I'm going to be using this kit. I'm going to be using that clear glue. I don't have that much clear glue left in the big thing. So yeah, might as well just use my kits. So this is it, clear glue. So I'm going to be adding some of this clear glue and inside of here. It doesn't come out that fast, but I would say I like this glue. So just some of that, and that I just used a little bit because I don't need that much. And then I'm going to be using some of this white glue in here. So yes. I don't know, I'm going to be making the same color. I already said, I forgot. So let me add this to some of this white glue in. Not that much because I don't need a lot. So I am going to be adding my scent, so I don't have to worry about adding that at the end. So when you add the scent, when you have the glue and you didn't mix the glue yet, you have to mix in it with the scent. It's kind of like coming together.
Yeah, where?
It's like the smell is like the activator. What if that's real? That's gonna be crazy.
Who don't have plates?
This is it.
Here.
So now I'm going to be adding my coloring. Green. One cup.
Gage, you got plates?
I'm just going to be making till slime. I don't want it, but I'm just going to be making some pretty nice till slime. So I'm just going to keep on mixing. So if it isn't till, you might want to add some more of your clear glue.
There. Another one's coming?
So I'm going to be adding more clear glue to make it very mint. So I'm going to add more clear and white glue. Let me get the white.
I got one right here.
White glue.
It's fine. He's gonna have to bat. He's gonna have to battle. Oh, somebody's right there?
Okay.
He just got his load out.
So now I'm going to be mixing it, and then it's going to turn like a pretty teal color. Just keep on mixing. Still the same color. This is the color, if you guys can't see. This is it. This is the color. Looks like burgers. Like dropping from a stick. Burgers dropping from a stick. How gross is that? Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to be adding this activator. I think you guys saw it from the other video that you guys watched when I made green slime. So maybe you guys already saw it. If you guys don't know because you didn't watch that video yet, it's new. Now makes 2 times more slime. How? Well, there's that's cool, to make slime, baking soda and contact solution mixed together. That's good knowing on this, so now I know how to make this. So I think I added a little bit too much, or I think
I got a mine all the way down below in the front floor too, and I got one right here. I got one right here too. So if they climb up,
those slime goes in. Okay, so I got that. Some of it poured in. Great. Okay, so after that, you mix it up very good. Shouldn't very well, a keep coming together. So as I said last video, let it sit for a little bit. So let it sit. Okay, so I'm just going to be playing with this slide. If you guys wanna see me show you guys all my slimes, then comment down below. And yes, comment. Please comment about everything that you like about this video. Because if you like stuff, that's good. So basically, my thing about slime, I love it. I love the texture. I love how it feels. So that's why I make slime mostly every day. This is like the third time in a row. Not in a row, but like half in a row. Because I've been making slime for like a long time. I learned it from my sisters. Well, I saw it from What's Up Moms first, and I was like, hey Mom, can I please make slime? And she was like, no. She was like, what is that? And I was like, can I show you? And she was like, no, it's your mom electronics. And I was like, yes. And she was like, no. Well, I think she said it. I don't know. So basically, yeah. I forgot if she did say that or not say that. Remember her saying that. No reason why. I don't know. So this is it. Well, this is not all of it. I'm just mixing in a little bit at a time. So this is how it is going to feel when it's all good. So look. Boom. Boom. Splash it down. Love the sound. It's really so bad. Play with it. So basically, when I take it out, I put it in the slime that I already kneaded up. So this is it. So far.
I told y'all let's go to prison. You're like, nah, I don't want to. I told y'all that shit is legit.
So I'm just keep on mixing it.
Am I the party host? I can't back out, so I gotta wait.
If you want me to make different slimes, comment down below and like this video.
I was probably one of the easiest wins I ever had.
One of my favorite things about YouTube is that you get to make videos and you also get to watch videos. So yes, well, if I had a dream, I would say I wish I could meet the Fish Fam and Everly and JoJo. If you guys are watching this right now, I really wish I can see you or FaceTime you on my dad's phone. But I'm making this video on my dad's phone, so basically, yeah. And I really want to FaceTime you. I really want to see Everly. Even Posy. Posy is so cute. So, please, if you're watching this video, tell me if you are happy about me saying this. If like kids watching, cause this is like meant for kids or moms. Cause moms like to make slime, I think. My mom doesn't really like to, but yeah, this is a slime. It's very cool and glossy. Very glossy. Very glossy. This is it. So cool. So if you guys want me to show you one of my slimes, comment down below. I'm keeping that, but comment down below. Hit that like button.
I had to go
subscribe.
I had to go see the Cairo the other day.
Hit the what's it called? Hit the bell, please. It's right by the subscribe button. The subscribe button is gray or red. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, even hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, And hit the like button. If you guys don't like it, you can thumbs down, but I don't really care. Because if you guys don't like it,
You know when you see the
I don't
bottom,
care.
you gotta write down on the paper what
But
it's called, what
thanks for
happened,
watching.